going to show you the hostel this morning. We're here in the southern part of Bucharest. Here's the hostel. It's called T5 Social. There's a security. You put a security code in here. Here you also put a security code in. Here you take off your shoes. This is the reception area. But they've got various things going on every day. They've got some nights where it looks like they did some art, and some of the guests were very talented. Some of these are really well done. You have the toilets here. Showers, there's several of these. Here's another shower. And this is the kitchen. I want to show you the outside area. The yard has tables for seating. You can lie down there. Lounge. And over there is a bar. The architecture here is fantastic. You have this neoclassical look. Very eclectic looking. You have a bit of modern architecture also. Here's some Art Nouveau, Art Deco looking architecture. Parsley. We have lettuce. I'm gonna get me some coffee like that. And I'll get that cheese also. I'll get some Romanian dark chocolate. They've got this really interesting beer here. I want to show you how to withdraw some cash out of an ATM here in Romania. Go to English, put your personal ID number in, withdraw cash, and it says, you know, it might charge you some fees from the card account, and you can select go to other amount if you like. Put in the number of lei with receipt. And here, you know, it says decline conversion or accept conversion. Always go with decline conversion, because accept conversion will cause you to incur a lot of fees. What I got in here is lentil beans, pepper, sweet bell pepper powder, and chili powder. Next, I'm going to put half a small onion into the pot. Put 2 chili peppers in. I'm going to de-seed it, take the seeds and the white veins out so it doesn't get too hot. I'll chop it up and put it into the pot. Next is a half a can of tomatoes. Goes into the pot. Next, I'm going to make a large fresh salad. Got some parsley, cucumber, chili, onions, some of the tomatoes from the can. Lastly, for the salad, I'm going to put in a lot of green lettuce. Most of my meal, but I wanted to show you. Here's this complete salad. Put some cheese also. into the lentil mix. I found a bicycle on Facebook Marketplace for about 220 to 250 lei. I'm walking there right now. It's about 3 miles or 5 kilometers. As I walk the streets of Bucharest, this place kind of reminds me of Italy or Athens. It has that gritty feel to it. We're at the grand intersection at 13th of September Street, the large Parliament building in the background. The Parliament building is so heavy that it's like the second heaviest building in the world. Next to the Parliament building is this very tall church. I'm at the back end of it. On the other side of the street is the Accademia Romana. We're at the bend of the road at the 13th of September Street. Communist era buildings. We have the JW Marriott Hotel that's taken over here. I thought I was a fast walker. Women, men, they're passing me here. This has been an ordeal trying to find the guy, or the guy finding me, as far as the bike. I went to 3 different locations. I put in the address for him and he didn't make it. So he's giving me another location that I'm walking to. So I'm gonna do about 10 kilometers today walking. The guy gave me a different address, but he just happened to be riding his bicycle down, so I saw him. I made some adjustments to the front and also to the back derailleur. This will be running okay now.